What is going on, everybody, and welcome to my most exciting video yet. Yes, it is that time, it is that day, it is withdraw day. As you guys know, I managed to make some money on this 25k account. I passed both phases and I made a little bit of money that we'll be going over. I'm super excited because this is a lot of money. This is actually the same amount as my bi-weekly paycheck, which I will put up a photo somewhere up there and you guys can take a look at it. And I made this within 3 hours and all I had to do was wait till my withdraw day. But we can see I started the account off a bit in the negative by taking one loss, and then I took the next trade and it got me back up to positive. So if we go down to the account matrix, I have a win ratio of 60%. But that is not correct. My win rate is around 30 to 40% because I aim for a higher RR. But yeah, if we scroll down, we can, take a look. That first day was just getting my feet into the trade. Second day was a 0.5% risk loss. And the last 2 days was a winner. So I got, well, this is my biggest day, was 850 bucks. So basically making around 3% or so, 3.5%. But on the account, we're up around 2.8%. And in the 24th day, I was hesitant on taking in a trade, so I put a 0.25% risk, and then I closed instantly knowing that I'm going to try to secure this withdrawal. I'm not trying to lose any money right now. It is the 28th. Let's get on to this withdrawal. So we go under payouts. And yeah, before I had a 10k account. As you all know, I did get a withdrawal for that 10k account. We're about to request. I sadly ended up losing that 10k account, which is right here. Let's go under payouts, request payout. It's the two-step. We choose our account and our balance is, so we want the entire balance, 716.87. Payment method, you can do Rise or crypto. A maximum of 500 is allowed for crypto transfers. Please use Rise. Okay, I guess we have to use Rise. I haven't done it through Rise, so I don't know what's going on. I can send, so yep, compliance with the clients, yep. I don't know what VAT number is, but it says optional, so let me actually go ahead and check my Rise account before I proceed. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, we're back, guys. I checked my Rise account. Everything should be okay. So we'll withdraw this amount. Two-step, yep, that number's okay. We agreed to the compliances. So my withdrawal amount is $573, which 573 USD to CAD. That's $781 Canadian in my currency, which is just amazing. It's incredible. I'm super happy and super blessed that I'm in this position, but this is only the beginning. I have a 50k futures account funded, so let's see if we can get a payout from them. If we blow that account, it's totally fine. I'm gonna purchase another probably 50k account, funding pips account, and go ahead and try to pass that as well, or another 25 or 10k. I don't know right now. Let's go request payout. Oh, please enter the nearest valid decimal, 716. So I have 717. Sure, 717. We'll take 20 cents extra. Oh, I guess not. 716. I guess they can keep the 87 cents.
Meanwhile,
okay, so payout requested. I will bring you guys back when the payout either hits my account or something happens. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next update. Alrighty guys, it is that moment in time. I know this video has been in the works for a long time now. I think it's been more than a week or so for my withdrawal to come in, but it did end up hitting my account. I just sent over $10. That's why I'm getting some notification back. I just sent $10 over to my crypto.com wallet just to make sure that the money is coming. But we can see $572 in my Rise account. If we go over to withdraw, my crypto.com withdraw app, we're just going to hit max here, and what we're going to do is, before I withdraw, I'm just going to confirm that I got the $10. Yep, I got the 10 bucks. And then what I like to do with crypto addresses, just because I've lost I think $3,000 sending to the wrong wallet address, like when I first got into crypto trading, I always like to go to my wallet address. So if I click on transfer, deposit, and in the network, you always have to make sure that the network is correct. So right now I'm transferring using, what is this? Arbitrum 1. You want to kind of look at the wallet address and go one by one and read out your wallet address here to make sure everything lines up, right? Right here's my address, 0xdb07, 0xdb07, yep. F19C, yep, we're all good. Confirm. Oh, insufficient balance. That's because I took out 10 bucks. Just withdraw to crypto.com. Oh, I was about to send it to the wrong wallet address. So it almost kind of saved me there. Are they the same? They are the same. Okay, so what's 572? 562 is what I need to send over. F19C, F19C, 0xdb07. I wish there was a way I can click into it before sending it over. Okay, well, that's a successful transfer. We'll wait for it to hit my account here, and then I will... Oh, that was instant. Yeah, I just got the email right now. Your deposit request received. Make sure that mail is correct here. Your pending 562 USDC deposit to your USD wallet. Will notify you when the deposit is confirmed. I guess the deposit was successful and has been added to your SDC wallet. I just got that email. So amazing, amazing, amazing. I'll show you guys right now, right here. Let me just make myself bigger. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. $593.15 in the USDC wallet. For all my fellow Canadians, I highly recommend crypto.com. I have a referral link down below. It is an amazing platform. It's both an exchange and a wallet to help you keep your funds secure. So that's kind of amazing, because in the crypto world, you don't want to save your funds on an exchange website because they can easily be hacked. So this is both a wallet and an exchange, and they allow withdrawals to your bank account directly. Say, for example, if you do, I think it's below $500 withdrawals with funding pips, then they do crypto withdrawals through USDT, which unfortunately crypto.com doesn't have, but you know, KuCoin is another good exchange. I think I also have a referral down below, so check them out as well. So for my Canadian friends, it's pretty hard to find some exchanges out there. So my #1 exchange I recommend is KuCoin for receiving anything under, you know, 500 bucks that they accept only USDT, because I know crypto.com doesn't have USDT. And if you're above and they do accept USDC, then you can use crypto.com's wallet to do it. Both affiliate links will be down below in the description, so give them a try. But yeah, I'm gonna withdraw this money real quick to my bank account. Super blessed to be in this position and super grateful that I can share this experience with you guys. So here's to more withdrawals coming in the future. Take care, guys.